Hello and welcome to the oneSOURCE training video. oneSOURCE is a web-based solution allowing all departments and staff in your healthcare facility easy access to view instructions for use documents, cleaning protocols, service manuals, safety data sheets, and other documents all electronically. There's no software to install, and staff and departments can retrieve this vital documentation from any computer or smart device with an internet connection. For access to your oneSOURCE account, please contact your manager or supervisor. Before we get started, let's review the databases. Surgical instruments and equipment, reusable surgical instrument, medical devices, and equipment instructions for use documents. Biomedical, service manuals, technical publications, and preventative maintenance for medical equipment. Tissue and implants, biological and non-biological tissue and implant IFUs, archived for 10 years to meet compliance standards. Safety data sheets, SDS and MSDS sheets for cleaning products. Documents in this database are archived and can be viewed for 30 years. Facility maintenance, cleaning service manuals, and preventative maintenance for non-medical equipment such as fire safety and HVAC, for example. And the dental database, dental instruments, equipment, safety data sheets, MSDS sheets, consumables, and implants, all related to dental products. Your location may not have access to all oneSOURCE databases. For additional information about adding databases not currently subscribed to, please contact the Client Relationship Manager assigned to your account. You can begin searching for documents as soon as you log into your oneSOURCE account. You can type in keywords, manufacturer's names, catalog, model, NDC, or device identifier numbers as well. You'll see a list of options from which you can select from. And once you select, you'll see the page refresh, provide a list of results, and when you do use the item number or the device identifier number, you'll see that one right at the top. We do recommend, if you have that, to use it. It's not case sensitive, and you also don't have to worry about spaces, dashes, or dots either. From left to right, you'll see the favorites, the manufacturer, the item number, which again can be a catalog, a model number, an NDC, or brand or product name. The device identifier, which is composed of two parts. The device identifier, a unique numeric or alphanumeric code specific to a device version or model, and the production identifier, numeric or alphanumeric codes that identify production information for a device and can include the following: lot or batch number, serial number, expiration date, date the device was manufactured, and for a human cell, tissue or cellular or tissue-based product regulated as a device. You'll have a description of the item, the last time it was updated in our database, PM frequency as indicated directly from the manual, the document type, and whether or not a tech ready has been created for it. And underneath the actions is where you can click to view the most current version of the document, and next to that, 3 dots, where you can edit and remove from favorites, as well as some other additional tools that we'll go over in a minute. Let's go ahead and click View Document. This is going to open up into a new web browser within Adobe Reader. This means that there's going to be a toolbar with icons where you can click to download and save documents offline, print them hard copy, as well as zoom in on them to make them larger and easier to look at. Several of our documents will have a tech ready created for them. If you open up the document and this is the first thing that you see, there's a few different types. This is one where we actually go in and extract out all the reprocessing information from the full-length document. We're going to increase the size of the font, color code the various sterilization methods, as you can see in the right-hand corner. For this example, the key for colored boxes, yellow for steam. We have a yellow outline around the sterilization information. Tech readies are not meant to replace the actual document. If you need to access the document for any reason, continue to scroll past the tech ready, and you'll see the beginning of the document. I'm going to go back up to the top and go back out to our search results. Not all documents have tech readies created for them. I'm going to bring up another example, this time in our tissue and implant database. And as the page refreshes, if we look over under document type, we can see it doesn't say tech ready. So if I were to go into this document, I'll just see the first page. If I'd like to request a document tech ready to be created, I'm going to click the three dots and I'll see a request tech ready button. Go ahead and click on it, enter your information, hit send. We'll reply back within 1 to 3 business days to let you know that the tech ready has been attached to the document. As I mentioned before, your tissue and implant, as well as your safety data sheet, contains archived documents. And these can be accessed by clicking those 3 dots. Well, you'll see a View Archived section. Click to view multiple dates of documents that have been archived in these databases. The most current version of the document and the revision information for that will be underneath the description. When you click View Archive, you'll see various archived documents with information in regards to them as well. When you're ready to start over with a new search, just go ahead and clear out and type into the search bar. Anytime that you're searching for something outside of using your item number, it's always going to be looking for keywords. So in this next example, I'm searching for the manufacturer Olympus, but I can see others are pulled into my search results anywhere that Olympus may be in the description of the document. So what I'm going to do is go over to the filters on the left-hand side, start at the top and work my way down to find the document I'm looking for that way. First, I'm going to click the database or databases that I want to focus my search on. This is going to refresh and remove any of the other databases out of my search results. Then anywhere that you can't check a box for a filter, click in to open it up. Scroll down or start typing the name. Once highlighted in blue, click on it. You'll see the page refresh. And now we're only looking at documents related to this manufacturer, Olympus. Categories and document types can further help narrow the results. Each time that you select a filter, you're going to see the page once again refresh, reduce the amount of results that you have to go through. A few other search tips. You can click these column headers to reorganize your list in a different order. You can display up to 100 per page, and you can click these 3 dots with lines next to it to switch over to our card view. Within this view, there's a sort by dropdown that you can access to show the column headers and reorganize the list if you want. I'm going to go back over to the grid view and do one more search. Anytime that you're doing a keyword search, we always recommend keeping it short and simple. Try not to type in too many words into the search bar, or you'll tend to pull in results that you don't need to see. So go ahead and start out with 2 to 3, and then work through the filters on the left-hand side to narrow through and find the documents that way. Let's go ahead and click View Document and pull up another one. This is an example of a tech-ready cover page. Our equipment manuals are a lot longer, and so we create hyperlinks that'll take you to different sections of the document. Here you can see cleaning and decontamination, as well as preventative maintenance. Click to go to the page that you're looking for. And there's also a table of contents button in the upper left-hand corner. From here, you can navigate from the table of contents and go to different sections that way as well. Okay, let's go back up to the top and go back out to our search results and talk about facility favorites. This is a way that you can create your own customized library of documents that your facility is using and accessing most frequently. You can create favorites by simply clicking the star, which is going to open up a dialog box where you can create categories, either add to existing ones or start to type out to create a new one. Give the document an alternate name, as well as add notes if needed. Go ahead and click Save. You can then hover over the star to see what you've created, click to make any changes, as well as remove from your favorites. But now let's go up to the top and click the Facility Favorites page. Here you can see all the documents that any users have added to their favorites and the categories that have been created. These are now part of your filter options. So as more and more documents are added into your favorites, users can access the account, go to the favorites, and use the categories along with the other filters to quickly find the documents they're looking for. If you type the alternate name into the search bar, it will find documents for you that way. And any notes that you've created, you'll be able to read underneath the description. And in the card view, that information is going to be displayed right across the top for you. Let's go back to the grid view. All documents go through a periodic review. If a document is updated, check the review or updated date here. You can set up to receive weekly email alerts from oneSOURCE, letting you know which documents within your favorites have been updated. To do that, click the icon in the right-hand corner and then click Notification Email. Here you can enter in as many email addresses as you would like, and every Monday you'll receive an email from oneSOURCE letting you know which documents in your favorites have recently been updated. When you receive that email, head into the Recent Revisions page to view the side-by-side comparison. You'll notice date ranges on the left-hand side. So what you'll need to do is check the review date for the document that you're searching for, match that up to the date range, and then click the database that the document is located in. When you click, it'll open up into a new window where you need to scroll through to find the name of your document. You can also do Control F on your keyboard and do a keyword search, or you can download the document into a PDF and view it that way. Once you find the name of your document, you can check the new revision and the old revision side by side. We'll add a note in here if there have been no changes to the cleaning and sterilization instructions, or we'll also add a note if there have been no changes to the preventative maintenance instructions for our biomedical documents. Let's go back out to the recent revisions. These date ranges go back about a month's worth. If you happen to miss a date range or need to go back further, underneath our training page, I'll show you how you can reach out to customer service where they can get the update to you that way. Let's go back into the icon and click Manage Favorite Categories. Once categories have been created, users can come to this page, edit the name of the category, as well as delete the category if it's no longer needed. If you delete a category, that's not going to affect the documents in your facility favorites. If you'd like to make changes to documents in your facility favorites, that can be done one of two ways. You can click the three dots if you want to keep it, but edit the details. Or you can click the star if you just like to remove it right away. You'll see a confirmation message pop up, click OK, and that's going to remove the document from your favorites. Moving along, recently viewed is going to show all the documents that any user has clicked and viewed within the account. This is a great place to go to pull up documents without searching for them over again. You can also use this page to add documents to your favorites from here as well. When we have updates to the site, you'll see a banner when you log into your account. It's going to direct you to the News and Resources page where you can read about those updates. Next is the training page. This tutorial video can be accessed from the training page. It's broken down by chapters, and this video can be downloaded from the site and put within your facility's intranet or on an LMS learning page, for example. There's a user instructions document that can be downloaded or printed out as well. It's going to describe each page that we've talked about today, how to search as well as navigate your search results. Training for your oneSOURCE account is always free. If you'd like to schedule a group or individual training, click the Request a Training link, which will take you out to the calendar where you can book a call. For those interested in CE credits, they are available through our site too as well. Click the CE credits link, and this is going to take you out to our Knowledge Center. There's a number of different videos there, which will indicate which videos they have the credits good for, how long they're good for, and after you complete the video, you'll receive your credit via email. Need help? You can click here to contact us via email, as well as call our 800 number, but you can also take advantage of live chat when available too. This little blue and white icon, if you click on it, will open up our chat box. Go ahead and type in whatever it is you need questions answered on. They'll reply back and help you right away. oneSOURCE University is our Tuesday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time training. This is an open session that you do not have to sign up for. At the bottom of the training page, prior to when it begins, click here to join in on that oneSOURCE University training. If you're unable to locate a document in our database, you can request it to be added. What you'll do is click the Request Document button. This is going to open up an online form. You're going to select the database, and you'll only see databases that your facility has access to. If you're putting in a biomedical, an equipment, or a facilities maintenance database, please add the serial number, as we need that in order to make the request from the manufacturer. Fill out the form completely and accurately. And if you have a special request, maybe you see a document in a database you don't have access to, and the reprocessing instructions may be in there. Maybe you need a document that's been recently archived. We can put that back into the archive section for you. Whatever your request is, go ahead and fill it out and click Submit. If we need to contact you for further information, we will. If it's for a document that's not in our database, we'll work to get it from the manufacturer. And then once we add it, we'll send you an email to let you know where your request has been completed. We do try and complete these requests within 3 to 5 business days. If we have not completed the request by the 5th business day, we will notify you that we're still working on it. If you do not see a reply back by that time, check your spam or junk folder first to see if we need to be added to your safe sender list. And if you still don't see a reply back, please follow up with us. Either check with our live chat when available, or email or call our 800 number so we can look into the request for you. oneSOURCE does also offer cloud storage. This is through the Upload Document button. Cloud storage allows users to upload their own documents into their oneSOURCE account using the Upload Document button. It is automatically included with facility maintenance and biomedical database subscription, but it can be purchased separately. For more information about cloud storage or any details related to your oneSOURCE subscription, please contact your client relationship manager. If you do not know who that is, please email our customer service team, who will put you in touch with them.